How to fix download error in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your guy from Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way on how you can fix download errors on Netflix. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, let's say that you open up Netflix application and whenever you're trying to download something, you simply face some kind of errors. Now, first of all, you have to make sure that not all of the devices who are using Netflix at the same time has download enabled. For example, if you have 4 to 5 people who are downloading at the same time simultaneously, that could be one of the reasons why. So you have to simply make sure that is not the case. The other thing is simply your internet connection. So simply scroll down your quick panel settings and just go ahead and check your internet connection and try to switch to cellular data if you have enough data or megabytes available. But if not, I would also recommend you to switch your network connection if you have some other Wi-Fi which is available for you to connect. If your net is working just fine, the other thing could also be due to lack of updates. So just go ahead and open up your respective app stores, and in the search box you want to simply type in Netflix. Once you type in Netflix, if you see an update button there next to the Netflix application, I want you to go ahead and then simply update the Netflix app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors which you were facing in previous version of the app. If this doesn't help solve your problem, then you can open up settings. Once you open up settings, here you can go to the option called apps. As you go to apps, go ahead and simply search for Netflix. So what I would recommend you to do is just simply go tap on the search box at the top and then simply type in Netflix over here. As you type in Netflix, go to storage and clear the cache files, which are some of the temporary junk files that your app doesn't really need. And hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. But as I said, the most likely reason could be due to your current plan, which doesn't support simultaneous downloads at the same time. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.